Hey, good day all. It's TurboDave here, Performance Corner. Today on our highlighted tool, it's not the vise that you see here, but actually the handmade with the wheel stand. So you can see it's a wheel, and we put the pipe on it and a plate, and we bolt our vise to it. We need to actually clean it up. We're going to paint it. It's actually been around quite a bit, quite a long time, and it doesn't just house the vise, but also we have a bracket maker. You put the metal in here and bend it up. So this is our bracket maker, and it also bolts to there. So I haven't welded the nuts to the bottom yet, but I'm going to be welding the nuts to the bottom, so we just bolt it straight down and we don't have to worry about it switching back and forth. The thing about this that's nice is it's not permanently mounted anywhere, so this is my get around way to do things when I want to go somewhere, just roll it around the shop or whatever. But also it's small and compact, so if I have to do something, I can put it next to me and it's easy to deal with. Whether it's needing to put something in the vise, yeah, you can't throw a bunch of torque on it, but it does what it's designed to do. We had two, a friend of mine and we built them a long time ago, and we put the other one had a old school rotary flywheel on it, which is like a 30-pound flywheel, which is actually heavier than this. But for doing small brackets and stuff like that and light work with the vise, works awesome. This is Turbo Dave here at Performance Corner, and our tool of the day. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and hit the like button if you like what we do. Want to see more videos. Thank you. Talk to you soon. Bye.